Want to see how one simple apple can become a delicious treat your whole family will love? Stick around. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So what we're going to do is we are going to take an apple corer and we are going to take the core out. Now, I hope I'm going to get this right and I hope it's going to go down and not to the side. I'm going to go straight down. Oh, almost. There you go. So I've taken out the core. I'm going to do the same with this green apple. There you go. I can see you. Okay, so there you go. I'm going to simply slice it in slices. There you go. And I don't slice them too thickly. Let's do is slice the edge off, and there you go. Delicious little apple donuts. And I like to use different colored apples. So I would use one green apple, one yellow apple, one red apple. If you're enjoying what you see here on Living Lere, go ahead and give this video a like. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a new recipe or lifestyle tip. Oh my gosh, we've got so much more coming your way. Lovely apple donuts. So we're going to put them on our serving plate. And then I have a whole bunch of toppings. And here you can go to town. You can do whatever you want to do. So on this one, I'm going to add some nut butter, whatever butter you want. If you're making this for someone with a nut allergy, you can easily swap the nut butter for sun butter or another allergy-friendly alternative. My favorites are almond butter. I love macadamia nut butter, cashew butter. All of those are pretty delicious. Okay, why I love apples. Apples contain a flavonoid called quercetin, which are actually very good. It's very good to eat when you have seasonal allergies. And they're also high in fiber, which we know is gut loving, and the more fiber we can get, the better it is for our good gut microbiome or our good gut bacteria. So a lot of people take the skin off because they don't like the apples, but let me tell you, that's where all the good stuff lies. It's underneath that skin. So it's very, very important to buy apples that are organic because they are very, very susceptible to pesticides and insecticides. And so one thing I encourage folks to do is go and have a look. It's a wonderful resource that not many people know about. But if you go to the internet and Google the Dirty Dozen and the Clean 15, you will see a list of all the vegetables and fruits that you should really be buying organic, and which fruits and vegetables is it okay not to buy organic, that are not as susceptible to the pesticides. But as far as I can, I try and buy produce or grow produce without pesticides and insecticides. Just remember, you know what, it doesn't help becoming fanatical. We live in a fallen world and we do what we know to do, and God does the rest anyway. So it's one of the principles that I live by. Okay, so there you go. We've spread our almond butter. Let's start with our toppings. I'm going to put some sunflower seeds on this one. On this one we'll put hemp hearts. Let's put some raw pumpkin seeds. Remember, your pumpkin seeds again are so high in omega-3, so they're good source of omega-3 fatty acids and really help to stabilize that blood sugar. Then, oh, my favorite, toasted coconut. I just break it up. I love to use this coconut in my granola. I make my own homemade granola, also great recipes in my recipe book. I have 2 in my 2nd edition. So we'll do a bit of that. You can also put granola on here, nice homemade or a low sugar store-bought granola. And that's also very, very delicious on these raw apple donuts. Let's see what we have here. Let's do a little bit more hemp, a little bit more sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Let's add some strawberries in the middle and some blueberries to that. And there you have a delicious snack plate for you and your family. And oh my gosh, believe you me, the whole family will enjoy it. You know, sometimes our kids are hungry and they want that food, and these are just a quick snack. Everyone can get together, prepare, do. They can snack on this while you are making the scrambled eggs or avocado toast or anything like that. So isn't that beautiful? Just look at the colors. Just look at the vibrant flavors and the wonderful good fats and fiber. And I hope you give them a try. And please give us a shout out. Tag us on Instagram at Living Lere and let us know what you think. So hopefully the recipes that I've prepared today will get you started and get you on a good road to start your day well. And breakfast is so important. So again, I want to encourage each and every one of you to really take note of what you are going to be eating at breakfast time. Make it count. But did you know the journey to keep your blood sugar balanced actually starts the night before? And that's why Eddie and I make it a point to go for a walk in the evenings. It's our favorite way to wind down the day, supporting our health while soaking in the quiet beauty around us. But more than anything, it's that time together that means the most. These are the moments I cherish. I hope you're finding ways to enjoy them too. And if you're looking for more simple, feel-good inspiration, be sure to check out our next episode. I'll see you there.